Hello guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my secret recipe for hair growth. Today I'm going to be making a rosemary oil mixed with other ingredients. So please, if you're new on this channel, you love my content, please be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and also like the video. This is really going to help my channel and help you to push out my video so that it can reach a lot of natural girls who are actually on a journey to have healthy long hair. So without wasting your time, let's get right to the video. So the first plant that I'm going to be talking about is the rosemary plant. So here are some of the benefits for your hair when using rosemary plant. So rosemary helps to stimulate blood circulation to help the scalp and promote hair growth. It is anti-inflammatory that helps to nourish hair follicles, soothes an inflamed scalp. It adds shine and luster to the hair. It unclogs hair follicles and prevents dandruff. It moisturizes hair and scalp, prevents flaking and appearance of dandruff. It is beneficial to prevent graying of hair. Guys, as you can see with this plant, I thought I should share with you how I actually love to maintain some of the plants that I use to increase growth. So this is my rosemary plant propagation. So it is easy to do this. First of all, I cut the tree branch and place it in a container with clean water, and also I change the water at least once a week, and then I'm going to wait until my roots grow to at least 1 centimeter before I plant it on the ground or in another pot. The second plant that I'm going to be talking about is the eucalyptus tree. So here are some of the benefits of using eucalyptus leaves. So eucalyptus leaves strengthens the hair, it boosts the shine, and also it stimulates the hair follicles for healthy hair growth. Always remember guys that from a healthy scalp grows healthy hair. Okay guys, so the third plant that I'm going to be talking about are the onions. So here are some of the benefits of using onions to your hair. Number one, onion juice improves hair growth by boosting the level of an antioxidant enzyme, which actually helps to optimize your hair growth cycle. Onions are rich in sulfur, which helps to nourish the hair follicles. Onions are rich in sulfur, which minimizes hair thinning and breakage. Onions has antioxidants which reverse premature graying and also that delay the graying process. Onions are rich in antibacterial properties which help keep the scalp healthy and free of infections, promotes hair growth, and also it controls dandruff. Onion juice stimulates your scalp and also it improves the circulation of the blood, which results in hair follicles that are well nourished. Now we are going to move to the steps of preparing the oil. So I have washed my rosemary and eucalyptus leaves, and also I have chopped my onions. I chopped 3 baby onions and I'll throw everything in the boiling water, and then I'm going to place the stove on level 2 of heat. Now I'm going to throw everything in the boiling water and place the stove to 2, because this is going to enable me to extract all the benefits of these plants. Takes the whole day. Now I'm going to remove the leaves as I am satisfied with the juice that I have. So now that I've taken out the leaves, now I'm going to add coconut oil. I bought this coconut oil from Discount for 49.99 rand. This is how much I managed to put. Now I'll let this boil at level 4 heat. Now as you can see, I have more oil than water, and I'm going to let this cool off so that I can easily separate the loose juice and the oil that might be left over. As you can see now, my oil is solid. That means it is ready to be taken out. So as you can see now, I have some juice that is left over with the oil. So I'm basically going to use this juice and I'm going to spray it on my hair and also on the scalp. Now we can take out the oil, and I just hit 2 birds with 1 stone. Now I have the oil and also I have the juice, and then I'm going to pour the juice in a small container. So here I'm going to place the oil in hot water just to inspect. Currently what I'm doing now, I'm going to place the solid oil in hot water, and then I'm going to let it melt to a liquid form. Now you can see we have some hotter bubbles inside the broccoli, which means that this oil needs to be boiled again so that we can get rid of the water. Please never leave your oil with any water particles inside, as this will enable your oil to rot and might not be able to keep it for a long time. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and boil the oil again until all the water particles that are in there are gone. I use a cloth just to separate a few particles from the oil. So now guys, this is the final result. You can actually see that my oil looks professionally done. It is clean, and also I love the smell and I love the results guys. Patience and loving what you do will help you get to this stage when you are making your own products. It is well moisturizing, and the smell is something that I can handle. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.